Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo hugging Pato. Let's start drawing. First I draw Pocoyo starting with his face and his arm. On his head, I draw a hat like this. Then, I draw his two eyes. He is smiling so happily. Then I draw his nose and his opening mouth. I continue to draw his hands like this. He is hugging Pato's neck. Then I draw Pato's mouth and his eyes. Pato has two big eyes. On his head, I draw a small hat like this. Then I draw Pato's body. I draw his two legs. And then draw his foot. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use this sky blue color to paint Pocoyo's hat. And then, I also use this color to paint his suit. Kids, please like video and subscribe to the channel to support us. Thank you so much! Then I color Pato's mouth orange. also use this orange color to paint his legs. For Pato's body, I use yellow to paint. Then I color his hat green. Dark yellow. Red for Pocoyo's mouth. Finally, I use cream to paint his skin. Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.